Somewhere, around 1 million years ago, one of your ancestors did something no animal had ever done on purpose. They kept a fire alive, and that single choice may have built the modern human mind. First, we didn't invent fire. Lightning, volcanoes, and dry storms made it for free all the time. For almost every animal, fire means one thing: run. Your ancestors did the opposite. They walked toward it. At first, they probably just borrowed it. They'd carry a burning branch from a wildfire and guard the embers for days, keeping the flame alive, because actually making fire from scratch came much, much later. And once they had it, the world changed. Fire was warmth in the cold and light in the dark, but most of all, it was safety. The predators that hunted us in the night simply would not come near the flames. Then came the real revolution: cooking. Raw meat and tough roots are hard to chew and hard to digest. Put them over fire and they suddenly give up far more energy for far less work from your body. And that spare energy went somewhere very expensive. Your brain burns about 1/5 of everything you eat. Many scientists think cooking is exactly what made it possible to grow and feed a brain this big. Fire gave us one more strange gift: time. When the sun went down, the day used to be over. The fire extended it. And around those flames, after dark, there was suddenly nothing to do but be together. So we talked. Studies of modern hunter-gatherers found something lovely. Daytime talk is mostly about work and complaints, but firelight talk, after dark, turns to people, to myths, to the imagination. So the campfire was never just heat. It may have been the first classroom, the first theater, and the first social network, all glowing in one place. We will never know the name of the first human who kept a fire alive. But cooking, language, big brains, long evenings spent telling stories, almost everything that makes us us, traces back to that one small point of light in the dark. If you've ever stared into a campfire and felt something old switch on, now you know why. This is Doodlore. Stick around.